SA705 Modification to the opinion. Circumstances when modification to the auditor's opinion is required. When auditor conclude based on his audit evidences obtained that financial statement as a whole are free from material misstatement. When auditor is unable to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidences to conclude that financial statement as a whole are free from material misstatement, that it can be possible misstatements. Three types of modification are there: qualified, adverse, disclaimer. First is qualified opinion. Auditor shall express qualified opinion when auditor have obtained sufficient and appropriate audit evidences conclude that the misstatements individually or in aggregate are material but not pervasive to the financial statement. Auditor is unable to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidences, but auditor conclude that the possible effect on the financial statement of undetected misstatements, if any, could be material but not pervasive. Second is adverse opinion. Auditor shall express adverse opinion when auditor, having obtained sufficient and appropriate audit evidences, conclude that misstatements individually or in aggregate are both material and pervasive to the financial statement. Third opinion is disclaimer. Auditor shall disclaim an opinion when he is unable to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidences and he conclude that the possible misstatements could be both material and pervasive. Auditor shall disclaim an opinion in extremely rare circumstances which may involve multiple uncertainties. In case auditor conclude that notwithstanding having obtained sufficient and appropriate audit evidences regarding each of the individual uncertainties, it is not possible to form an opinion on the overall financial statement due to potential intrinsics of integration of uncertainties. Important thing is meaning of pervasive. Pervasive is used in the context of misstatements to describe the effect or possible effects of misstatements on the financial statement. Pervasive effect on financial statement are those that in auditor judgment fulfills the any of the following criteria. If the effect or possible effect is not confined to specific account balance or item of financial statement, or if the effect or possible effect is confined to a specific elements or account balance of financial statement but it